Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make tiramisu in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to make tiramisu, you need to have the recipe and you can buy the recipe from Masimo's cooking store after you reach level 6 in your cooking hobby. Once you have level 6, you can immediately go to Masimo and buy the recipe. Then just go to your stove and this is the recipe for tiramisu. You will need coffee, egg, milk, and also cheese. And I'm going to click on start cooking. And then we need to adjust the heat level. I think it will be very fast. So you need to be careful. Okay, come on. Oh, it's not that fast as I thought. So we can take it slowly. Okay, come on. Okay, adjust the heat level. And again, adjust the heat level. Alright, I think it's almost done. Oh, wait. Oh, one more time. Okay, I think this is the last one. Alright. And I've just made the tiramisu, but just got 1 star. That's okay. This is my first time making tiramisu. Okay guys, and that's how we can make tiramisu in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!